Hello, welcome back to my channel Sinny's Primary Math. We can introduce children to positive numbers through concrete objects which they can see. But how do we present negative numbers to them? Usually the textbook shows the visual representation of negative number along the number line. To children, a negative number is nothing but a point on the number line. They have no idea what it signifies. In this video, I shall explain an activity to expose children to a situation which show up the need for using negative numbers. Activity. As you know, some tests and quiz program follow multiple choice questions MCQ. From the options given, we should select the correct one. Sometimes the difficult questions may be left unattended. However, persons who take such tests often like to try and guess the answers of questions they don't know. In order to balance this kind of guessing, negative marks are allotted for every wrong answer. That is, some marks deducted. For example, look at a typical instruction stated. 2 marks for every correct answer. 0 for questions not attempted. -1 for questions answered incorrectly. So, one must be very careful and thoughtful while answering every question. For instance, let us consider the performance in a MCQ test having 10 questions. Here is a typical answer sheet. Now, we are going to plot the movement of marks along the number line. Draw a number line. To begin with, start from the point 0 on the number line. That is, initially no marks scored. Now, for each question answered correctly, the marks move 2 steps, 2 marks to the right. If it is wrongly answered, the marks move 1 step in the opposite direction, 1 negative, that is to the left. And if it is not answered, 0 mark, don't move at all. Hope the steps are clear to you. Okay. Once again look at the answer sheet. The person has done the first question correctly. From 0, we first move 2 places to the right. The second answer is wrong. So, we move to the left by 1 step, that is from 2 to 1. The third question gives 0 marks. So, there is no change in the position. Now, try to state at which point the marks are after the fourth answer. The fifth answer, and so on. Thus, mark the position on the number line for each answer and observe where the final mark ended up eventually. This activity helps children understand what a negative number is and its practical use. There are many other contexts in which we can introduce negative numbers to children. I will be back with another interesting video. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Bye.